Today, I'm gonna tell you a story about Peppa Goes to Bed. I hope you guys like it. One day, Peppa and George are playing one last game before they goes to bed. They're playing in a muddy puddle. Time to go to bed, say Daddy Pig. It's been a long day. But George and I are not sleepy at all, says Peppa. Come on, into the bath, say Mommy Pig. Peppa and George have fun splashing in the bath. They are still not tired. When you're in bed, Daddy Pig will tell you a story, says Mommy Pig. Hooray! Peppa and George like stories, starting to feel a little bit sleepy. Peppa and George are tucked up in bed. Now they really are sleepy. Good night, Peppa and George. Sleep well, whispers Daddy Pig. Now Mommy Pig and Daddy Pig can relax and watch television. Oh dear, it looks like it's bedtime for them.